Hello and welcome to Social Sangam. This is your host Puranjan Samatas, and let's get started with today's video. Now, what are we going to learn today? So, we are doing some simple things. This is a simple exercise that you can do with your computer so that your computer runs a little faster. There is a free tool that is provided by Microsoft for us Windows users so that we can free up some precious storage and RAM and use our computer a little bit faster. Now, what do we need to actually get our system faster? I'm here to explain that. Let's shift to our whiteboard. So, this is our RAM. Okay, as you can see right here, this is our temporary files. Now, I know that you don't know what these are, or you may be knowing what these are. RAM is random access memory. If you don't know that, you should watch the first episode of Computer System Overview and learn about RAM. Now, I'm going to have that video right here so you can go and watch it after this one. What are temporary files? Temporary files are just cached files, some files that our computers or our web browsers or our application stores on a daily basis on our secondary storage hard disks so that they can run faster. Now, what this does is fills up our storage little by little to over gigabytes. If you have a laptop or a phone that has 128 GB or 256 GB of storage, that is not enough and your hard disk will get full. Now, what do we need to do to get this problem aside? Well, we need to clear out some RAM, some precious RAM, and delete all the temporary files that we do not need. Now, Microsoft has this built in tool known as Storage Sense. You can find it in your settings under your System tab and go to Storage, and you will find this. But how to make it more easier? Well, my friends, thank you for asking. What we are going to do is shift. Now, as you can see my screen right here above you, you are going to go on Google and search for Microsoft PC Manager right here, okay? You're going to find this first link, pcmanager.microsoft.com. You're going to go and open this. You're going to find Microsoft PC Manager in a beta version. Click on the blue button right here. Download this, and I'm going to show you step by step what to do. Now, let me download this. Perfect. Now it is downloaded. You go ahead, run this. It's going to pop up a normal UAC, user account control. You're going to click on yes here and wait for the PC Manager to open up. Then we'll install that. As you can see right here, the PC Manager installer window has opened. Click on this little tab right here and accept the user agreement and privacy agreements. Click on install. And it's installed. Click on the launch button and let's launch PC Manager. It will also create a desktop icon so that you can access it easily. Let's see. Okay, here we go. Now this kind of a screen will pop up and you can see temporary files 4.4 GB and memory usage of 48%. Now my memory is 16 GB. So if you have 16 GB or above, you can clear this out and you can clear this out. You click on the boost button right here. I'm not going to do that because I am recording right now. So you just click on the boost button and you're good to go. You can also protect your PC by clicking on the health button. It would look for issues or any junk files. You can also go to storage management as I told you and perform a deep clean. Look for larger files, remove apps, and as I told you, Storage Sense. All shortcuts are provided to you. It would also show you running applications that you can end and clear out some good amount of RAM that you need. Now, there are also startup apps that you can see so that you as a person can improve the startup time of your laptop or computer. You can also go to the security tab and check for Windows Update browser protection and pop-up management and scan everything. So that's really good and helpful. With this, I would like to end today's video. Thank you all for watching. Like, share, subscribe to our channel and comment down what kind of little tutorials do you want. Thank you so much for watching.